to Little Bear Lodge. This is a quick video tutorial on the Roku TV. It's a smart enabled system with a cable one. Now, when you press the home button right here, it's going to bring you to this screen, and then you'll utilize the remote. Volume controls are here. You've got your ability to change what you're watching. So you've got the cable TV labeled and marked. And so you're going to want to turn on the cable. You've got the master. So that's going to bring the power on the box down below. The volume controls right here. As you can see, that's going to transition the sound volume down. And if you've got any questions, you can reach out to us. It's a fairly straightforward, very easy to use system. And if you want to watch Netflix, if you have any of these accounts, the Amazon, so forth, you go ahead and push the button again. And as we transition, we can cycle through the different options that are available. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us in the office. It's 208-634-0030. Cheers, and hope you're having a great time while you're here at McCall.